Like Takashi, call him Papi, worth the ASAP, keep me rocky. I'm from New York, so I'm cocky. Say he fucking with my posse, caught me Chloe like
track day, don't shoot back, one shot, close range, right there.
Oh, my hair's a mess. But hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's AndI'mTy'Kira Nicole, and I'm back with another video. So high ponytail and edges. So what I'm gonna talking about first, let me just jump right in the video. What you need is, sorry my hair's a mess. What you need is your water bottle, your Eco Style, whatever type of gel you use, your brush, and your edge brush. So what you do is, when I first start off, and I just spray my hair. Just spraying it on my hair. I don't spray too much. I just try to dampen, and I brush it before I put any product in it. I brush my hair out. Now, I put a little bit of Eco Style on my hand. I'm gonna go up the back. Do the same with the front. Take my edge brush and I just brush my hair back so it gets all the little pieces that be flying away. Take my brush once again and do like that. Take my spray brush and get it again. Now what I do, I lay my hair down and I do it like that. What I do is I put it to where my liking, so if I'm doing like that, to match my head type, so it will be just like this, and you could just stretch it out if you want. If you want to make it even more but my, oh god, it looks like this. And if you want to make it bigger, just pull it out. That's why I don't do my ponytail too tight, because I like to stretch it with my, So now I'm gonna move the hair to the back and get ready on these edges. So I take some of my Eco Styler and I put it on the brush, and I try not to pull out of my natural hair, because I don't want to have, today I'm just gonna brush it out like that. And sorry y'all, and I'll do the same thing. Try not to grab my but of course a few pieces, my longest hair, but of course a few pieces will come out, which is fine. You can either pick, choose how you want to do it. Me, I just sit there. Oh my gosh, me, I just be like, fuck it. I'm probably gonna like fast forward this, so I don't know what I'm talking. Add some music to it. And I only go in with my Eco Styler once, maybe twice. Like right now, I just did once, and just now I just did it twice, just for the extra push, extra length, extra whatever. And these are the edges I do on the Bailey. These are the edges. What is wrong with me? These are edges I do on a daily basis. So for this, I'm just gonna go back up. I do just multiple ways, but like as of right now, I just feel like this is the one that people do now, because people that I see, they do loops and not like how I used to do them. It's just gonna curl up, it's whatever. So this is the finished product. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Turn on post notifications, all that. If you guys want me to do more hair stuff, let me know. Comment below and I will do that. And if you guys, can you see the curls now? If you guys liked it, comment below, subscribe, share, tell your friends.